So I do think that there is a significant challenges in the field in manufacturing that we're all doing our best to address. Many of them have been made worse through the pandemic because of supply chain issues. Many of the materials, the hardware, the equipment, and the supplies that we use in cell and gene therapy manufacturing are also used in the vaccine manufacturing. And so some things have come to be in very short supply. This is something that we all hope will be somewhat temporary as the field works its way through the supply chain issues and works its way through the pandemic, but it certainly is a major challenge. I think the other challenge, especially in my field of AAV gene therapy manufacturing, is AAV is a very safe virus because it can't replicate by itself. So that makes it safe to use as a delivery vehicle. However, if it can't replicate by itself, that means that it needs a lot of help to be able to manufacture it. And I think there's been a lot of advances made in that field over the last several years. We ourselves have a very scalable, highly productive manufacturing system that we have now used across multiple INDs for multiple products. And we are currently manufacturing at a scale that produces 2,000 doses per batch for our ophthalmology programs. And we recently signed a lease for a build-to-suit manufacturing facility that will be able to produce material for XLRP as we commercialize it, as well as late-stage material for Achromatopsia and our preclinical programs. And I think more and more companies are moving to develop their own facilities so that they can control timelines, control costs, and control quality. Because as I said, there's lots of competition for materials and manufacturing slots. And so there are a lot of uncertainties in working with the big contract manufacturers.